It's your boy S4 James. I'm back with another video. If you guys watched the unboxing of the 3DCadWurx charger, the rear charger, I am about to, oh wait, there we go. I'm about to do the install on this, so come on with me while I do this. All right, so if you watched the James video that 3DCadWurx had put out, you can use one of those, trim removers. I'm doing it with a flatty, little putty flatty knife because A, I lost mine. B, I went to go order one. It says it's gonna be here in 2 days, and I don't have 2 days to be doing that. So therefore, we're gonna do it this way. So what you're gonna do is go in between here, in between these two right here. Stick this in here. Try not to damage anything and whatnot. Whoop, there we go. You want to pry around. There we go. Pop it on out. Now, it took me a little bit. I don't want to break anything, but once you got it out, you see these little tabs right here and whatnot. Once you got it out, there's this wire down here. You want to unclip her with just 2 little prongs, pull her out. Boom, we're good. We got that out. Got that all out now. Now, the next part is there's this little vent in here, like all the way back here. I'm gonna get you guys close up on it again. This vent here, this vent has to come out, and there's little tabs right here. 1, 2, 3. Got these little tabs out. You can just lift up on it and it comes right out like boop. And then it's a little wonky coming out. Just be a little careful, You want to be able to pull it a little straight out. And now that's out. This is all out now. All right, we'll get to the next part. Ooh, it's a little dirty down there too. All right, next part. To get to the cigarette lighter, which is this little thing right here. You can see here, where is it? Let's flip it over. Let's show you guys. There's a little tab right here that you want to press down on inside here for where the cigarette lighter is at. Let me show you guys. I'll get you guys close up so y'all can see it. Whoop. That little tab right here. Like there, right on top. Boom, like right there. Basically, when you take your trim remover or anything you can to press it down and then push the cigarette lighter down as well. And then it'll come right out. I'll show you guys. No worries. It might sound like it's breaking, but it's not. It's safe. I promise you guys. Comes right out. And then you have this little thing right here. A little tab. You can press it down. A little prongy prong right here. You guys can see it right here. Get a little closer for you. A little prong right there. You can press it down. It'll pop on her right out there. Ugh. Let's see. Comes right out. Once again, don't worry if it sounds like it's breaking. It literally is supposed to sound like that. It's fine. I didn't break it, so. All right, once you got everything out, you take your 3DCadWurx one. Mine's upside down, sorry. And if you bought the plug and play, which is great, it's literally plug and play. You just hook these things to the back of their little prongs, and in this, have this piece right here. It goes in just like the stock cigarette lighter. So I'll show you guys. If you didn't buy that, then you would have to get one that taps into everything and whatnot. Where you at? Where are you going? There you go. Goes in. Click, click. And then, it goes back in the same way you took it out. If you didn't buy the plug and play, you would get this other tap kits that James supplies you with, and you would just have to tap in that way. He does tell you what colors what. One's for ground, one's for power, of course. And yeah. So I'm gonna put this back together now. Goes back the same way you guys took it out, and then I'll show you how it works. Before I put those back together, let's put this car in accessory position so we can see that it works. As you see, lights on. Now it's off. Now it's on. The little power button on and off for it. Click, click, so we know it works. And like I said, you get 2 USB-Cs and then a regular USB 3.0. So yeah, now let me go put this all back together. All right, we're gonna try to put this bad boy back in, just in case, get a little rough. But you wanna put it back in just like the other one came out. A little wiggle, like to see this done thing, you know. There we go. Now she's back in, guys. It clips right back in. You see, it's all in right there now. Get that little clip over and then you're good. All right, now to put everything else together, which is, you know, putting the little duct back in, you know, that good thing and whatnot, this, and then putting our main vent back in, of course. Is that upside down? I think it is. I don't know. So let me go start putting that back in. All right, so what you're also gonna notice is that when you're putting your wires back in, tuck them to that like right corner, that bottom right corner. Tuck them real quick. And once you got them tucked over, we're gonna start putting the duct in. The duct in is gonna go in kind of weirdly. If you watch Jane's video, he said you come in at a 45-degree angle and then swoop and go right in. So let me just put that bad boy in over there. Click, click, boom, they in there. Oh, wait, no. All right, I got this darn thing in here. Now let's just make this, put our vent back in, our good old vent right here, a little prong. It only goes in one way, guys, so like, you can't really, you know, it's only gonna go in one way. So you're gonna click that, because if you don't put this back in, you won't have temperature control at all. So now, we wanna just try to get her in. All right, it's back in. Basically, you kind of want to take these right here, latch them in, and then click right up there. And then there you go. There you go. It's all back together. And if you look under here, charger fits in like OEM. Thanks for watching my video, guys. I will come back with my review on having this rear charger installed.